The reality that persons aren't taking the matter of physical distancing seriously is reflected in the downtown Kingston market district almost daily. A check of what happens on Saturdays, one of the busiest market days in downtown, again proves the point. Kirk Wright has that story.
Corona, Corona, she better than Ebola. Hey!
Jamaicans clearly still not seeing the grim picture of the deaths overseas caused by COVID-19, the new invisible enemy. This is downtown Kingston on Saturday. It's a perfect place for great bargains, but also the ideal environment for the COVID-19 virus to be passed on.
Now, here at West Parade, this is the center of the market district here in downtown Kingston. And I can tell you, there's hardly anything down here that resembles social distancing. We spoke to some of the people down here, and most of them tell us that they have to be here because they have to hustle.
Along Beckford Street, the usual stream of vendors and shoppers bouncing into one another. A vendor who refused to give his name says shoppers downtown don't concern themselves with physical distancing.
When people want them things and people want what they want and want what them need, them not turning on them house, them not keep a distance. That's what things said. Right now them talk about Corona, look at that town and look how town stay. People still have to do them things because people have to do them things. It's who have money, keep them distant. But we have poor people can't be distant. We have to mix and mingle in the crowd and look our own. We rich? Absolutely not. Who rich, keep them distant. Looking at the crowd, ask them where them come from. I be a ghetto people there. If you ask everybody where them come from, I'm praying at the ghetto. We have to there because we have to look our own. Distant, you have to keep your distance now.
Another vendor totally disregarded the idea.
No, I can't answer questions. I don't answer.
Stay far from each other. Are you staying far from each other?
When I stay far from each other far.
What kind of know about the coronavirus?
Then that's still the same. That's still the same still.
What do you mean?
I mean,
If you catch it
oh?
from somebody, you can catch it from somebody.
If I catch it from somebody, I say it go same way, same way.
Yeah, but you might dead now, big man.
Then when I dead and done, because when I don't come for it for stay long.
With that, we asked why some people have thrown caution to the wind.
No, them not take it seriously. Them. I don't know why, because it seems that them don't see them parents die, you know, like them family, but they're around them die, you know, but them only hear people die.
For the most part, the establishments downtown complied and only allowed a limited number of persons inside.
Maximize 5 customers in the shop. Every time when them come in, we have to spray them hand with alcohol or hand sanitizer. And then after one come out, when next customers come in, we have to try to keep it up and make sure every customer is safe and my worker them is safe.
But the people who form queues outside waiting to access businesses act oblivious to the need to keep safe distances.
You have to keep reminding yourself. Everybody miss up.
Some people are expecting the government will soon announce a total lockdown of the country. There are varying positions on that.
Well, I would be so worried because people have to live. It would be a good idea, to stop the spread of the thing, but at the other end now, people, like some people, they only do like hand-to-mouth thing, like that's what they live off of, like buy and sell and stuff. So it's hard.
He locked down himself. He late now, can lock it in, he should lock that out long time.
The St. William Grand Park downtown, where vendors would usually go to use the toilet facilities, have been closed since the first COVID-19 case was discovered in Jamaica. A donut vendor says now there's nowhere for food vendors to wash their hands.
You have to go into a Burger King and Mothers and buy a ticket for use the bathroom, and sometimes the bathroom not working.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.